From roofing to siding, CE Construction is setting the standard across North and South Dakota. Our expert team delivers quality, durability, and trust on every project. CE Construction, Dakotans helping Dakotans with their roofing and siding needs. Call or visit us online.
All right, good evening, everybody out there. Today is Thursday, June 18th, 2026. Let's go ahead and dive into today's weather video, diving into what we're seeing here. Now, today we have seen a quiet weather day out there overall. Now, we've had a couple of rain showers across the region, but for the most part, today has been a fairly nice day for mid-June. Taking a look at our current radar pictures, I put a loop on this. All of the activity has been moving in an east-southeasterly direction today. We haven't really seen a whole lot. We did see some rain showers earlier across northeastern South Dakota into east-central South Dakota and then into western Minnesota. But this activity, for the most part, has died down. And you can see what's left here across southwestern Minnesota. This is what's left. We are seeing a couple of hits of rain from near Marshall, down towards Slayton, down towards Pipestone. But other than that, things overall have been fairly quiet. Now, we are seeing out to the west, we are seeing some more rain showers that could impact northwestern South Dakota and near Buffalo towards Bison. And so that activity will continue this evening to push in an easterly direction across northwestern South Dakota. But with all of this activity, we're not seeing much out of this. This is a pretty quiet, low-end type situation. We're seeing just your garden variety light rain showers overall. And if we look at the current satellite imagery, you can see we are still seeing a mix of clouds and sunshine out there for the day today. It has been that way for the last several days, but much more quiet today in the weather department. No severe weather, no real robust thunderstorms. Now, if we take a look at our temperature map, and today we have seen cooler temperatures, but who's going to complain about these temperatures? We have been in the upper 60s and 70s across the region. To me, that's really nice weather overall. But for mid-June standards, this is actually below normal temperature-wise for this time of the year. We should be in the low 80s for this time of the year. But today, we saw cooler weather, 74 degrees in Sioux Falls. Really, that's about perfect. 70 in Brookings, a little bit cooler up in northeastern South Dakota into western Minnesota. We've had daytime highs in the 60s, 68 in Watertown, 68 in Sisseton. 72 in Aberdeen, 76 out in Pierre, 74 out in Rapid City. Down into Nebraska, we have seen temperatures in the 70s to low 80s. It hit 80 in North Platte, 74 in Valentine, 74 in O'Neill, and 77 in Omaha. Into Iowa, we have seen temperatures in the 70s as well, 75 in Des Moines, 74 in Storm Lake, 68 in Mason City. And up into Minnesota, 60s to low 70s, 71 in Mankato, 68 in the cities, 66 in St. Cloud, and 70 in Rochester. Now, another factor to this current weather forecast is the dew point map. We are seeing dry air. We are seeing dew points in the 30s out to the west, 40s in the east, so we don't have to deal with any humidity either, which usually for mid-June, by this time of the year, as we kind of exit spring and enter the summer, we usually are seeing higher dew points, but we have seen just really nice weather for this time of the year. So please get out and enjoy this nice weather that we're having. All right, we're going to get back to our weather video in just a moment. But first, sponsorship opportunities out there. We are looking for sponsors. So if you are interested in partnering with T-Storm Chasers and becoming a sponsor with us, feel free to reach out to us on our Facebook page or any of our social platforms, as well as our email or phone number. And we're also launching our new weather call system that is available now. Highly recommend. Sign up. It's $15 for a whole year, and you get life-saving phone calls from us here at T-Storm Chasers. It is a GPS-based system, so any warnings that are issued in your area during severe weather events such as tornadoes, severe weather, and flood events, any warnings that are issued for your immediate area, you will receive a phone call within seconds from us at T-Storm Chasers, giving you guys life-saving information. If you're interested, sign up today. Go to the website at tscalert.org. Now let's get back to the video. All right, real quick here, just wanted to touch on this. taking a look at the severe weather outlook maps from the Storm Prediction Center, let's go ahead and take a look at tomorrow's outlook. And we do have a couple of different spots that we're looking at. We're seeing one down here in Nebraska. We do have a marginal risk level 1 out of 5 in the dark green. That includes Grand Island up towards Norfolk and this area in dark green. And then farther up north into Minnesota, St. Cloud, Alexandria, Minneapolis, Rochester areas into Wisconsin. We're seeing another area here of severe weather, marginal risk in the dark green. That's the level 1 out of 5. That's for tomorrow. We're not seeing this for the Sioux Falls area. We're just in a general thunderstorm risk, but overall, the severe threat is going to be low tomorrow. We're not really expecting to see much of anything tomorrow. Tornado threat is not there, non-existent. The wind and hail threat is at 5%. So that just tells you we're looking at a low-end severe weather threat for tomorrow. Now, looking ahead towards Saturday, it does change a little bit. We do see a higher severe weather risk for Saturday, but it's going to be across Nebraska. We're seeing slight risk level 2 out of 5 for Kansas, eastern Colorado, and into Nebraska. That includes Lincoln, Grand Island, North Platte, up towards Mullen, Columbus, Nebraska. And then we have a marginal risk surrounding that in that dark green. Now, that does extend up into southwestern and southern South Dakota. So Mission, Martin, Pine Ridge, Hot Springs, Custer, all included there. So we'll see what happens on Saturday. But the severe threat is expected to remain south of us and into Nebraska and Kansas mainly. But there is growing confidence in stronger weather, stronger thunderstorm activity for these areas. So something we'll keep a very close eye on. Now, looking at the probabilistic outlook, this is where we are seeing the 15% in yellow, that slight risk, and then we have the 5% is the brown color, and then we have our SIG 1 outlook outlined in black for these areas. All right, so let's go ahead and jump to the latest on the model run, showing us where we can expect these showers and thunderstorms to occur. As we head into the evening hours, again, we're going to be watching northwestern South Dakota for rain showers. But again, we're not expecting much out of this. Now, as we play this out, heading into tonight, the overnight hours, we could see these rain showers across South Dakota and North Dakota. Aberdeen, Pierre, we could see rain showers overnight tonight. Now, we're not expecting thunderstorms with this, but don't be surprised if you hear a rumble of thunder mixed in there. But we are not expecting thunderstorms. And then as we head into tomorrow morning, look at this. We could see some rain showers for even the Sioux Falls area, southeast South Dakota, northwest Iowa into Minnesota, Minneapolis to Sioux Falls. We could see this area of rain showers, and that would be, again, tomorrow morning. Now, as we play this out into around the lunch hour tomorrow, looks like we could see some light to moderate rainfall across southern Minnesota, southeast South Dakota, northwestern Iowa. Does include the Sioux Falls area. So for Sioux Falls, tomorrow morning into the early part of the afternoon tomorrow, don't be surprised to see rain showers. And then as we head into throughout the rest of the day tomorrow, we will see those rain showers continue to move east, eventually impacting Iowa into southeast Minnesota. And there could be some thunderstorms up here across portions of Minnesota as well, maybe up towards Fergus Falls and Alexandria. But we're not expecting any severe weather. Again, very low severe weather chances. But the marginal risk of severe weather is there in case we do get an isolated severe thunderstorm. Now, as we head into the weekend, as we head into Saturday, looks like starting us off in the morning, right away Saturday morning, we could see an area of thunderstorms. Rain and thunderstorms across southern South Dakota into northern Nebraska, basically Grand Island up to Valentine, and then up towards Martin and Mission, up towards the Rapid City area. That is Saturday morning. And then as we play this out into Saturday early afternoon, we'll see this area of showers and thunderstorms across northern Nebraska into southern South Dakota, showers and thunderstorm activity there. Then as we switch over and take a look at the Euro model, for the day on Saturday, we will see redeveloping showers and thunderstorms on Saturday late afternoon across Nebraska. And that spot right there, that's the danger zone for severe weather chances on Saturday. So we'll keep a close eye on things on Saturday across mainly Nebraska. And then as we play this out through your weekend, Saturday night into Sunday morning, we could see that activity move east into eastern Nebraska, western Iowa, southern South Dakota, and then for your day on Sunday, a lot of this is going to die out or move east, move out of our region. So Sunday as a whole looks fairly solid. We're not really seeing much in the way of rain or thunderstorms on Sunday. All right, one last thing here. So the big question that everyone's wondering, how much rainfall are we going to see across our region? Well, I have a partial answer for you. Let's go ahead and take a look at the latest on the model run. This is the Euro model, which is known to be fairly accurate. And for estimating rainfall, here is the latest. So as we play this out, as we head into the weekend, it looks like mainly the areas that we're going to be seeing the rainfall is going to be central and south central South Dakota. This is taking us out through Sunday, so through the weekend. We're looking at over an inch possibly in the Pierre area, maybe over an inch in the Chamberlain area. Looks like the highest amounts would be, again, near that Murdo down towards Winter areas. 2 to 3 inches could be possible. That is, again, according to the European model. And then also down into Nebraska. Some spots could see 2 to 3 inches of rainfall, and even the Omaha area could see over 2 inches of rain. You know, Nebraska, we need a lot of rain down in Nebraska, and hopefully we get that. It looks like, according to the latest on this model run, we could get that. And then in Iowa as well, 1 to 2 inches possible. Unfortunately, though, for the Sioux Falls area, we're not seeing a whole lot here. Taking us out through Tuesday, we are not really seeing much. We're looking at maybe 1/4 of an inch for the Sioux Falls area, so we're kind of in a dry zone, it looks like, for this weekend into early next week for rainfall. So unfortunately for Sioux Falls, we're not looking at a whole lot of rain here in the short term and medium range forecast. All right, guys, so that is going to do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like, drop a comment down below. Let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring those notification bells so you don't miss any of our future videos. Also, check us out on Facebook, X, and Instagram. We do post frequently on those, so be sure to check out our content over there. And also check us out on our TikTok page. We post daily videos over there as well. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.